Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Birch Benders Paleo Waffles is probably one of the most sought-after breakfast options for those following a paleo lifestyle, offering a convenient and delicious way to enjoy a classic favorite without compromising dietary principles. And today we're diving deep into what makes these frozen waffles a standout choice for busy mornings and health-conscious individuals alike, exploring their ingredients, taste, and overall value to help you decide if they're the right fit for your breakfast table. Number 5. Simple Mills Almond Flour Pancake and Waffle Mix. Start your day with a delicious and wholesome breakfast. Our mix makes it easy to whip up fluffy pancakes or crispy waffles. Enjoy a breakfast that fits your lifestyle. This mix is crafted to be gluten-free, so everyone can indulge. Nourish your body with simple, plant-based ingredients. It's a perfect choice for those following a paleo-friendly diet. Waking up just got easier. Just add a few simple ingredients to create a satisfying meal in minutes. Experience the classic, original flavor you love. It's a timeless taste that brings comfort to any morning. Whether it's a weekday treat or a weekend brunch, this mix is your go-to for a delightful meal. What we like. This mix offers a delicious and wholesome start to your day. Its almond flour base provides a rich flavor and good fats. If you are looking for a gluten-free and plant-based option that is also paleo-friendly, this is a great choice for a nutritious breakfast. What people say. These make the fluffiest gluten-free pancakes and they are so easy. Just add water. They taste wonderful and you can mix in whatever you want, plus, you get the added bonus of having extra protein without it tasting like protein powder. These are the only pancakes I give my child because the ingredients are clean and free from any unhealthy additives. They're gluten-free, made with almond flour, and have a great protein content, which makes them more filling and nutritious. The texture is soft and fluffy, and they're so easy to make, even my husband can whip them up in minutes. The flavor is great, nutty and slightly sweet, and I love that it's made with simple, clean ingredients. It's gluten-free, grain-free, and perfect for anyone following a paleo or plant-based diet. Number 4. Simple Mills Pizza Dough Baking Mix. Elevate your pizza nights with our easy-to-use baking mix. Create delicious, homemade pizza crusts in minutes. Made with simple, wholesome ingredients you can trust. Enjoy a delicious meal without the artificial additives. Whip up a fantastic pizza base with minimal effort. It's the perfect solution for busy weeknights or casual gatherings. This mix provides a versatile foundation for all your favorite toppings. Get ready for a truly satisfying pizza experience. Achieve a perfectly baked crust every time. It's designed for consistent results, making homemade pizza a breeze. What we like. Transform your meals with this convenient baking mix. It's perfect for creating homemade pizza crusts with ease. If you are seeking a gluten-free option for pizza night or want to make a quick and simple dough for various baked goods, this mix is ideal. What people say. This makes a delicious pizza crust that I can make a great pizza without cheese. Easy to mix up. I tried this almond flour pizza dough mix as a gluten-free option and was really pleased with the results. It was easy to prepare and baked evenly with a good texture. Great almond flour pizza. Easy to follow directions and just add the toppings. Yummy. Number 3. Birch Benders Paleo Pancake and Waffle Mix. Introducing a delicious and healthy way to start your day. Our mix is perfect for making fluffy pancakes and crispy waffles. Enjoy your favorite breakfast treats without the gluten. This mix is crafted to be completely gluten-free, so everyone can indulge. We adhere to strict dietary standards. You can trust that this product is kosher certified for your peace of mind. Making a wholesome breakfast has never been easier. Just add a few simple ingredients and you'll have a satisfying meal in minutes. Each bag contains 12 ounces of our premium mix. It's the perfect amount for your family's breakfast needs. Experience the quality and taste that Birch Benders is known for. We're committed to providing you with the best ingredients. What we like. Enjoy fluffy and delicious waffles with minimal effort. This mix is specifically crafted for those following a paleo lifestyle. If you prioritize simple, clean ingredients and need a quick, gluten-free waffle solution, this is the perfect option for your breakfast routine. What people say. These are the best paleo waffles I have ever had. They taste amazing and have a great texture. I love that these waffles are made with simple, wholesome ingredients. They are a healthy and delicious breakfast option. The waffles are easy to prepare and cook up quickly. They are perfect for a busy morning. Number 2. CARY'S sugar-free low-calorie syrup. Craving something sweet but watching your sugar intake? Discover a delicious way to satisfy your cravings without the added calories. Our syrup offers the perfect solution for a healthier indulgence. Experience the rich, satisfying sweetness you love, now in a low-calorie formula. It's the perfect companion for your favorite desserts, fruits, or beverages. Enjoy guilt-free flavor in every drop. Looking for a healthier alternative to traditional syrups? This sugar-free option provides all the sweetness without the sugar. It's a versatile addition to your pantry for everyday enjoyment. Enjoy the full flavor of syrup without the heavy calorie load. This carefully crafted formula is designed to be light yet incredibly satisfying. Elevate your meals and treats with this delightful choice. Make a smart choice for your well-being without compromising on taste. This low-calorie syrup is perfect for those mindful of their sugar consumption. It's the sweet treat you can feel good about. What we like? Add sweetness without the guilt to your favorite foods. This syrup is a fantastic choice for those managing sugar intake or calorie counts. If you are looking for a versatile, sugar-free topping for pancakes, waffles, or even desserts, this syrup is an excellent way to satisfy your sweet tooth. What people say. These waffles are a game changer for anyone following a paleo diet. They taste amazing and have a great texture, unlike other paleo waffles I've tried. I love that these waffles are made with simple, wholesome ingredients. They are gluten-free, grain-free, and dairy-free, making them a healthy choice for breakfast. The convenience of these frozen waffles is fantastic. They cook up quickly in the toaster and are perfect for busy mornings. Number 1. Birch Benders Paleo Pancake and Waffle Mix. Enjoy fluffy, delicious pancakes and waffles made with wholesome ingredients. Our mix makes it simple to create a satisfying breakfast or brunch. Crafted for those seeking a grain-free lifestyle, this mix is perfect for your dietary needs. You don't have to compromise on taste. Just add water, eggs, and oil for a quick and easy batter. You'll have a fantastic meal ready in minutes. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you'll always have your favorite mix on hand. Stock up and never run out. Whether it's a busy weekday morning or a leisurely weekend brunch, it's the perfect choice. Enjoy a wholesome meal anytime. What we like? Stock up on your favorite paleo-friendly breakfast staple. This pack ensures you always have a quick and healthy waffle option on hand. If you are a busy individual or family that loves paleo waffles and wants the convenience of a multi-pack, this is the perfect choice for easy and nutritious mornings. What people say. This mix makes good pancakes as it is in the bag, but I like to add some extra fiber and protein. I weigh out 4 ounces, 1/3 of a package, of mix, add a 1/4 cup of flax meal, a 1/4 cup of protein powder, whey, pea, or other, and 4 eggs. I use 1 cup of water with all of this and it makes 6 to 7 6-inch pancakes. These are our favorite pancakes and are gluten-free. Pancakes taste great and are easy to make. The flavor, ease, and healthiness is great. I do add an egg and a teaspoon of baking powder to make them more fluffy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.